What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Heycash. So you might be wondering how to exactly withdraw from Heycash here. Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So with Heycash here, you will first want to go ahead and just log in into your account. But once you've logged in, this is what you're seeing. Now, in this case, in order for you to withdraw, you need to go to the right side here. And as you can see, you should see your balance in here. Now, click on the claim reward option. Now, the thing with the claim reward section here, there are going to be some requirements that you need to do. Now, you need to have a certain amount of points in your account in order for you to make a withdrawal. Like, for example, for PayPal International, the minimum here is going to be 5,000 points. But obviously, if you want to get more, like, for example, $5 is going to be 5,000 points here. But if you want to get like 10 to 20, 50, or even $100, you need to get at least the points that they require you to have. Now, if you do have enough points, it will be unlocked in here. You can go and just click on it and just fill out the necessary form in order for you to withdraw your funds. But it's not limited to PayPal here. You have Airline Gift, Alba Restaurant Espanol, and also Doctors Without Borders and International Rescue Community as well. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.